Hello, everybody. Welcome to our Facebook Live for December 11th. And you're starting off with me before I take you over to Annika because we've got some cool machine stuff to talk about. The first one is super exciting. We wanted to remind you guys that the Continental M8 Professional A exists. I actually own this machine, so I can give it a high recommendation. It's my main machine. But what's really cool right now is it comes in the month of December, so through December 31st, free, or sorry, I should say the 5300 comes free with the purchase of an M8. This is like the travel-sized companion to your M8, and it's the perfect travel machine. It comes with this cool magnifying thing. It comes with a walking foot, a 1/4 inch foot, a hard case. It's meant to be like just ready to go, ready to travel right out of the box. This is normally $1,000, so it's a really good gift with purchase. The best one I would say that Janome is offering right now. And it does come with the best machine in the store. And I know Joy will fight me on that, but I'll say it. So do come try the M8, and you might just end up taking home 2 machines for the price of 1. Now, if you're like, ooh, a travel machine, that's something to think about, but I don't need an M8. Well, you're in luck because the 5300 has a little sister, which is the 3160. And this is also an excellent travel machine, a little bit more basic, a little easier to just lot less information here on screen. Super easy to just sit down and sew. It's on a sale price for Christmas. This will go through December 31st as well. And this also comes with a really good setup for travel. It comes with the walking foot. It comes with the 1/4 inch foot. It comes with the darning foot. And you can see here, that's over $200. It comes with the extension table, and that's all just included at the same base price. So if you are looking to get a travel machine or get a travel machine for somebody who needs one, this would be a great option for them. All right, so speaking of gifts, if you don't want to gift somebody a sewing machine, we've got some other options for you. Surprise, Annika!
Hello.
So this is the Bernina Holiday Gift Box, and this is aimed at the Bernina girl who has everything, and you were just at a loss of what to get her. These are Bernina-themed sort of lifestyle items, sewing items, but also just sort of, you can just brand your life with Bernina. You know, a tumbler, thread, scissors, a scarf, stuff like that. So super cute box, super nice packaging inside, and it is also on sale for Christmas. So this would be a great thing to keep in mind if your Bernina gal has everything and, you know, wants to just wear Bernina head to toe. All right, moving on from Bernina, I wanted to highlight one of my classes because it's a secret menu item. It's not in your mailer, but I have a paper piecing class on December 17th, which is this coming Tuesday. I still have a couple of spots left, and we're making this really cute wall hanging, which shows a Christmas card in an envelope. And it's actually a pocket so that when you get Christmas cards from your friends and family, you can display them on the wall and hang them up like that. The pattern is provided free in class. That's my incentive to get you to come. If you don't come to class, but you still want to make this, we do have patterns for sale. But if you come to class, you get it for free. You don't have to have foundation paper piecing experience. We take care of you. It's a really nice community. So do keep that in mind. That's going to be December 17th from 10 to 1, and you can call in or come in and sign up. Now, if you're thinking about the Christmas fabric that we have here, we do have a lot of this still in the store. And I'll just remind you that all of our fabric, Christmas or otherwise, if it's regular priced, it's 20% off through this Saturday, which is the end of open house. So it's time to get in and get your backings and your minky and your canvas and all that expensive fabric at 20% off. All right, well, with that, I will turn you back over to Annika for the rest of your tour. Thanks.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Grace. That paper piecing project is adorable, so y'all should definitely come and join her so she can teach you how to create that. Such a fun idea. Really, really enjoy that. Okay, so starting off right here, we're mixing it up a little bit. Normally this would be our notion of the week table, but as per kind of everyone's been anticipating, we are doing our 12 days of Christmas, where each day leading up to Christmas, we have a different regularly priced item that will be 20% off. So starting today, which is super exciting, we have all of our marking tools that are normally regular priced will be 20% off. Now, like I said, leading up to Christmas, we will have a different thing each day. So we'll definitely be posting this so you can see all of the different items, so you can mark in your calendar which days you definitely want to come in. We've got some really exciting things. Tomorrow we've got books and patterns. A really highly anticipated one is this Saturday is going to be scissors and rotary cutters. And we've got just lots of wonderful things leading up to December 24th. So definitely keep an eye on this. We will go through them each week, and hopefully you all can come in and enjoy our 12 days of Christmas. So like I said, today is marking tools. So we've got all sorts of marking tools. We've got our friction pens, we've got our Choco liners, and all of our sew line stuff as well. So come on in and grab those. This is going to be perfect for if you need some stocking stuffers for Christmas, or you want to come in and grab something for yourself. So definitely come on in. And speaking of stocking stuffers, we're going to have all of our sort of stocking stuffer items right here. So all of the awesome little goodies that we have that are kind of on the smaller side are all going to be right here. We might add some as we get more towards Christmas, but all of these will also be 20% off. So super exciting. So both of these are definitely going to want to come into the store and go to both of those little tables. Now our kit of the week is going to be the wool tree skirt. We thought, we're getting closer to Christmas, so we've got to highlight this one. This is all wool applique. So each little wedge is kind of like, it was originally a block of the month. So we've got each little project here. So it's going to be super easy to work on. Would definitely get you in the festive mood as it's getting colder and you want to sit down and just do a little stitching under the blanket. So this one is going to be 25% off, so great deal for that one. And we've got lots of Christmas goodies here. As Grace mentioned, it is open house still through this Saturday. So all of our Christmas fabric and regularly priced fabric are still 20% off through this Saturday. So definitely stop on by to take advantage of that. And then super exciting, we just received the new colorway from the Tim Holtz palette collection. This month it is this beautiful red, which is perfect for Christmas time. We did keep it with the previous month, the pink, so it's all together, so you can grab both if you haven't had a chance to grab either of these. But we've got some really gorgeous prints. I think this map one is so cool. Beautiful detailed work as always from Tim Holtz. Okay, and heading on over, we've got a few more lines in this back corner. Okay, so moving on over here, we've got this a little bit of a smaller collection from Free Spirit. This one is called Skylights. Very colorful. We've got these beautiful primary colors, lots of different sort of more organic shapes and textures in there. Very unique. And then we're super excited about this one. Northcott just came out with a new Celtic Knots collection. And this one is called Celtic Roots. We've got these beautiful purples and greens, a little bit of that darker blue. Really beautiful to showcase those Celtic knots. And we do have an extra wide bolt here, so if you're looking to back your project with the same collection, you can do so. And then we also have a panel that goes along with it. It's quite a large panel, so it's going to showcase beautifully in the center of your quilt. And it's got this beautiful tree in the center there with those Celtic knots surrounding it. And again, such a beautiful, interesting color palette as well. And this one's just over here in this back corner, so you can find it super easily. Okay, and now heading this direction, we're gonna take a little pit stop down in the flannel section where we have a new collection. Okay, right down here. This is a very fun kind of neutral, kind of a gender neutral collection from Robert Kaufman. This is from their Cozy Flannels. So you've got these wonderful sort of grays and taupes, and then a few of these more gold mustard colored ones. These adorable little woodland animals there. A few different kind of animals in this collection. And just some fun little blenders to go along in there. So very soft and cozy. And headed just around the corner here. Super excited about this one. This one is so cool. This is a new collection from Riley Blake. This is their Outer Space collection, and it is a NASA theme. So lots of different prints. We've got the different planets. We've got some of the different sort of space shuttles and constellations, and a whole nother set down here at the bottom with more of that NASA stuff. All those cool NASA logos. And then we've got a couple panels that go along with this one. We've got this very cool sort of space outfit here. All the little details. Kind of more of a diagram. It's very cool. You could either go more juvenile with this, or with something like this, you could definitely make it a little more mature. And then we've got this very cool sort of layout of all the planets here with some information on each one. So very cool. Definitely make a cool little display or decor with that one, and then maybe do a quilt or something with this one. And it looks like we do have some free patterns that go along with this collection as well. You've got the cool little space shuttle. You've got a quilt with that panel in the center. And then you've got another quilt, looks like a larger one, that has the different stars using the fabric, and then the panel in the center. So lots of different options with this one. Very cool. Like I said, I think it's going to be very versatile. You could go make more of a kid's one, or you could definitely go more mature with it as well. So that one's going to be really fun. Okay, and heading over here, this is kind of our 30s section at the moment, our 30s reproduction prints. So starting off with Riley Blake, this one is Peace and Plenty. Lots of different designs. More of a definitely more 30s prints, but maybe a little bit more modern in color. And then we've got right here, this one is Blast from the Past. Definitely more traditional reproduction prints in color and the design. And then from Maywood Studios, we have some this collection called Dilly Dally. This one is definitely more traditional as well, with more of the muted colors, but very playful prints. And up top, we've got lots of pre-cuts in all of the different collections. We've got some back quarters. We have some cute little fat eighth bundles. And then to go along with it, we've got things like Prairie Home from Lori Holtz, a new book. And then we've got some of these awesome little design boards. These are perfect for all of those little piecing things that you might do with your 30s prints. So very cute. Definitely have revamped that whole section, so we're super excited about that. Okay, and then just ending here at the counter, a couple reminders. Our wool tree skirt is our kit of the week, so this is going to be 25% off. And then we've got our 12 days of Christmas, and this is every day we're going to have a different item that is going to be on sale. So regular price item. We've got lots of different themes this time around, so make sure you take a look at that. See which day is which item. Maybe you really want to get some pre-cuts on sale. That's going to be Monday the 16th. Or maybe you're super excited about thread. That's going to be Saturday the 21st. And we've got lots of other items in there that we are super excited about. So make sure you mark your calendars and see which days you want to head into the store. And again, our open house is through this Saturday. So if you want to come in and get our regular priced fabric at 20% off, you can do that through this Saturday. Also, if you sign up for any classes, your class supplies will also be 20% off. So keep that in mind. That goes through this Saturday. Awesome. Well, thank you all for joining us. Thank you to Grace for showing off some of those machines this morning. Don't forget about her class as well. Call in if you want to sign up for that. And yeah, check out our website if you want to look at more of those 12 days of Christmas. We are super excited about it, and we will see you next week for another What's Buzzin' at the Bee.